Today I'm going to show you how to make cheesy puff pastry Christmas trees. You will need 500 grams of puff pastry, 150 grams of cheddar cheese, 1 egg. You're also going to need a star cutter, and ideally you want some wooden skewers. So I actually use some barbecue skewers because they're a bit more heat resistant, because we are going to pop them in the oven. If you can't get skewers, don't worry, you can make them without. It just is easier with them. So firstly, you just want to grate your cheese up. And then flour out your work surface and roll out that puff pastry. You ideally want it to be a long rectangle. So firstly, you want to cut out a star shape. So you're going to want to cut it out to the side of the puff pastry. So we're basically going to cut all our stars along the one side of the puff pastry, and then you want to cut your puff pastry into really long thin strips. So I actually cut my puff pastry strips just slightly shorter than my star shape. And then, having pre-beaten the egg, you just want to egg wash your long strip of pastry. Then you want to put cheese all over that strip of pastry. Fold the pastry in half widthways, and then you want to tilt it on the folded edge so you can see the cheese from above. And then you just kind of want to fold it so then it's a cone shape, so then it looks like a Christmas tree. And then, if using, this is where you want to use your barbecue skewers, and then pop that star on top. And repeat until you've used up all that puff pastry. So I say about using the cutter on the side, this is just so then, I don't want to leave it to the end to cut it out, because you're either going to have too much puff pastry left over, or you're not going to have enough to cut your stars out. So if you kind of cut a star for each strip on the end of the strip, then it's kind of the most space efficient way. And then you just want to place your trees onto a pre-lined baking tray with baking paper. And then, using that pre-beaten egg, you just want to, so what I did is I used a bit of the egg just to attach the star to the top of the tree, and then brushed the top of each of the stars with the egg wash. And then you want to pop this in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade, or 180 fan assisted for 30 to 35 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make cheesy puff pastry Christmas trees.